Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 1. Evaluate each of the following. First of all, we learn we learn the properties of division. Here we know that in case of integers plus plus divided by plus gives the result plus. You have to remember this one, right? And minus divided by minus will give plus result. Plus divided by minus you'll get minus. Right? And minus divided by plus, in that case also you'll get minus sign. This you have to remember, right? Now we'll evaluate question number A. The question number A is, here you see question number A, that is minus 30 divided by 10. That can be written as here minus 30 by 10. We cut this 0, answer you will getting is minus 3. Right? Now question number B. Question number B is 50 divided by minus 5. You will get 50 divided by minus 5. You get this result that plus divided by minus get the minus result. Then it will be minus. And if we cut it, 5 1 5, 5 10 50. The result is minus 10. Now question number C is 36 minus 36 divided by minus 9. Here you see that minus divided by minus is plus, right? So it is minus 36 by minus 9, that is plus 4. Now question number D is 49 minus 49 divided by 49 is equal to minus 49 divided by 49. It comes to minus divided by plus is minus, and it is 1. If we cut it by 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Now question number E is 13 divided by in bracket minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1, and that means you have to subtract 1 from 2, that is 1, and which one is greater? 2 is greater, so it will be minus 1. 13 divided by minus 1, we are getting that is equal to Plus divided by minus is minus. Minus 13 is the answer. E. We'll solve question number F. We'll solve question number F. Now question number F is, here you see, question number F is F, that is 0 divided by minus 12, that is 0 divided by minus 12 is equal to 0 is the answer. Now G, what is G? G is minus 31 divided by, in bracket, minus 30 plus of, in bracket, minus 1, right? Now this is minus 31 divided by, here you see, these are both are minus, then we have to add the numbers. 30 plus 1 is 31 and the sign will be minus, right? That means minus 31 divided by minus 31. Minus divided by minus is equal to plus, and 31 divided by 31, we divide it, it will be 1 by 1, and that comes to 1. Now H, how do you find H is here? H is, in bracket, minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. What are you getting, you see? That is minus 36 by 12 divided by 3. That you are getting minus divided by plus is minus. 3 12 is 36 minus 3. 12 is 12, 12 3 is 36 minus 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. That is, you are getting minus 3 by 3, and minus divided by plus is equal to minus, and 3 will be cut by 1. That is, the answer is minus 1, right? Let us solve question number I. Here you see, question number I is in bracket minus 6 plus 5, minus 6 plus 5, bracket close, third bracket, divided by third bracket, in bracket it is minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. What you are getting, here you see, minus 6 plus 5, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, therefore you have to subtract 5 from 6, it is 1, and which one is greater? 6 is greater, therefore the sign is minus, minus 1, divided by, 1 is minus sign, 1 is plus sign, therefore you have to subtract 1 from 2, that is 1, and 2 is greater than 1, therefore it will be minus. That is minus 1 divided by minus 1, that is minus 1 divided by minus 1, and minus divided by minus is equal to plus, therefore the answer is plus 1, right? In this way you can solve the various problems. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.